I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering.
Look at this, it's Maximus Aurelius.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
It's the weirdest display I've ever seen. Is that supposed to be an otter? Why is it so big? Or is the guy just so small? Not seen many alligators in my time, but that head does not look like an alligator head. Proportions are all wrong.